Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add SciSpace Chrome extension on Google Chrome. So once you're inside your SciSpace account, guys, if you look towards the left hand side, you'll have a Chrome extension. So you can click on that. It's going to take you right over to the Chrome Web Store, and you will see it says SciSpace do hours of research in minutes, right? And you can scroll down and see what it looks like as well. But in order to add this to your Google Chrome, just simply click on add to Chrome, then go ahead and click on add extension, and you'll have that extension added to Chrome in a matter of seconds, right? Once that is added to your Google Chrome, you will see that it shows that it is added. Now it's going to quickly do a reload over and try to connect your account, so you'll be able to see what it looks like here, and you can quickly pin it. So it shows you that you're on the upper right hand side. You want to go ahead and click to pin this to your Google Chrome. So just go ahead and click, for example, the Chrome extension app. It's going to show you what it is on the upper right hand side, and here you'll find the size space, so you can quickly pin that. Right, once you click and pin, it will show up on the upper right hand side of your Google Chrome. So it doesn't matter whichever tab you're in, or once you open up Google Chrome, you will have the size space there. So that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and quickly add the size space Chrome extension in Google Chrome. It's very easy and very simple.